Look at that for a bivvy spot.
Hey folks, it's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. It's currently 20 to 7 in the morning. Had a great night's sleep. This was the sleep system. It's a Trekology sleeping pad, my Vengo sleeping bag with the sleeping lighting out as well, a couple of pillows and some entertainment in the form of a Galaxy Tab. Watched a film last night, halfway through realised I'd seen it before but still really enjoyed it. So this is my nature hike tent, the Monga 2. It's kept quite well in the considerably windy conditions overnight. But very spacious inside. It's a beautiful morning. That's just enough. Managed to get it going, but it's a little bit windy under here this morning. Yeah. Hopefully got enough to board that water, fingers crossed. Be a little bit out of practice but here we are, absolutely everything blocking any air coming underneath. Got here in the dark last night, so I didn't really set down properly, so it was low against the ground, but that should be fine. It's burning nicely. Right now, before I do anything else today, I'm going to tuck into a nice cup of cappuccino and some porridge oats. So you're probably wondering today where I'm going to be riding my bike. It's about 75 kilometres today, just around the local area. And then a little bit later on, once I get back in the van, get back here, I'm going to head to Rutland Water and just go around the water one time. And then camp up there before riding tomorrow as well, which is Sunday. We're heading about 50 kilometres around the Lincolnshire Wolds tomorrow. And that's this weekend. I hope you can stick around and follow my journey. I was just thinking about cafe stops today. I'm not entirely sure where I'll be stopping. I did think about going to Cafe Velo Verde, but it's far too soon into the ride, so I won't be stopping there. Got my route planned out. I'll share the route with you once I get on the bike and we'll get moving. Now, I do follow Emily Chappell on Instagram. I do. She put a great post up this week. It was the soundtrack that caught my eye. Bit of a song that's kind of, well, it's 100% poignant to how I'm feeling right now. By Touring Brakes. I forgot about this song. Oh, hello, Chaos. Do you want to hear my singing? Take the painkiller, cycle on your bicycle, leave all these miseries behind. Okay, so it's debatable or not whether I'm miserable not riding my bike. Take the painkiller, cycle on your bicycle, leave all this misery behind. So this is not, I say it's a shortcut, it's not really. It's probably quicker to go around the road. Which is usually the case, right? So just headed up to East Bridgeford. One of very few hills today. This one's unavoidable. It's a closed road for people and cyclists, course you can get cars down here, but it's a dead end ultimately at the bottom. So all the through traffic is now gone. It's got a beautiful avenue of trees all the way along it. We get to enjoy it all to ourselves now. So right now I'm heading towards Kirk Hill, so just jumping over the dual carriageway. So I'm heading towards the Vale Beaver, not going up there, and then heading back along the flat to Bottisford and then up towards Newark. Apologies if the sound isn't so great just right now. Got a new camera and it's not got one of those windshields on it. So I've just turned the camera on a really hilly hill just to see how well you can hear me. Hopefully you can hear me just fine. This is a lovely road this. Go through this one again. So right now you can see Beaver Castle all the way there on the horizon. So do you know I mentioned earlier about going to the Lincolnshire Wolds tomorrow, and yes, we all know the Lincolnshire Wolds has got hills and I'm trying to stay away from them. The idea is minimise the number of hills, so got a really good route together, running along the spine of the Lincolnshire Wolds. So it's mostly quite flat. Obviously there's still a few hills in there, but it finishes on the hill, the Tetford Hill. I'm going to park my car at the crossroads there. Tetford Hill, for anybody that doesn't know, was my Everesting hill in 2020, so I've got a bit of attachment to that hill. I think. Unfortunately no sausage and bacon butty for me. It's actually closing down, so 2 sandwiches, 2 innocent smoothies, £1.35, absolute bargain. And I never normally been able to afford an instant smoothie, well not smoothie, drink, so I'm going to enjoy that, make the most of it. 25p. So I'm currently heading towards Staunton Lee Vale. I actually stayed at the pub there in the summer along with Louth Cycling Club when we all did the border ride together back in June, I think it was. It's nice just to stop halfway through. I believe that's the pub coming up in the distance, up on that hill. And there is the pub that we stayed at. Beautiful place. Staunton Arms. Do you know what I've literally spotted just coming out of the Staunton Arms? Yeah, we didn't need to go into a nice B&B, we just all stayed in there. There's room enough for everyone. Look at that for a bivvy spot. I'm adding this to my to-do list. Oh look, it's even got a cycle rack over there as well. So I'm just about to head onto the stretch of National Cycle Network that runs into Newark. myself in the centre of Newark, and it's a busy market day. Plenty going on down here. It's a really traditional market town, and no cars getting in your way anyway. It's brilliant. So I've just stopped outside this big mural at Little Tea House. Look at that. Good way to smarten up an empty shop. The eagle eye amongst you may well noticed I've got a hole in these shoes. Another pair of shoes with holes in. Yes, another pair of shoes with holes in, Richard. These will be going in the bin soon. I'm going to get another reasonably priced pair. Talking of shoes, maybe a couple of months ago now at least, I bought a new pair for the road bike, and you might, if you've been wondering about those, then yes, I've not bought them yet. I originally bought them for Paris, and then to talk myself out of it. It's never wise to do a long distance ride with brand new shoes. Certainly one which is 1,200 kilometres. As you know, that's quite a far way to go. If shoes like that might not fit you too well. So as soon as I've got the road bike sorted, which I haven't yet, I'll be putting those on. That's it, I'm back at the van. I've just got to unpack now, and you know, put all my clothes in the front there, get my bike packed away, and then get ready to go again. So from where I parked the van up, the very end, 34 kilometres. It's not bad, is it? Mostly off-road, except for that final bit in and out. It's warm today. Wow, it's really warmed up now. The clouds have departed. So there's a bit of a building up ahead. I don't know if you can get all the way up to it. Tom Stringer came here a few weeks ago. Don't know if you watch his channel. He's also a vlogger here in Lincolnshire. And yeah, I didn't quite go to it. I wonder how far you can get. BD spot. Oh, cattle grid. I hate cattle grids. Ah. There we go, as close as we can get. That was a wedding in progress, so I can't get any closer, but yeah. What a great day for a wedding. Glorious. Well, looks like 2 kilometres from the turning in point to go into the middle of the island. So nearly done. After this I'm going to go grab something to eat, cook something out the back of my van, and then find out where I'm going to pitch. Not sure if I'm going to pitch at the end point there. There's a sign saying no camping, but I guess as long as you don't get caught, you're alright. Leave no trace, yeah? That's #1 rule, leave no trace. Hope you enjoyed watching this, well, mixed bag of a video. Going out riding tomorrow. Hope to share that journey with you as well. Comments, questions, head down below. And if you've not subscribed yet, now might be the time. For me, take care. I'll see you again soon. Bye.